As an air conditioning and refrigeration pro, he is one of the heroes of industry, keeping buildings cool, food fresh, and critical systems running. From skyscrapers to grocery stores, data centers to hospitals, when the heat rises, it's an air conditioning and refrigeration expert that answers the call. Often referred to in industry as HVACR, or heating, ventilation, air conditioning and refrigeration, these experts are part engineer and part detective. Armed with gauges, tools, and high-tech diagnostics, Gadsden State HVACR students learn to install, repair, and maintain the complex systems that modern life depends on. At Gadsden State, you'll learn to read blueprints, wire control systems, troubleshoot complex equipment, and work with cutting-edge diagnostics. Always in demand, with the right credentials and experience, you can enjoy job security, great pay, career growth, and the chance to work in all kinds of settings.